In this video, I'm going to show you how to run LTX 2.3 on your own machine with as little as 6 GB of VRAM. To do this, I will be using 1.2GP, which is basically a web UI for running large models. It doesn't just support LTX 2. We can actually run everything from version 1.0 all the way to the LTX 2 series, including version 2.0 and 2.3. Today's video, I'll show you exactly how to set this up so you can do text to video or image to video directly on your machine. Speaking of image to video, this is starting image here was generated using today's sponsor, GenTube. This is GenTube, a completely free app where you can generate and experiment with different image styles and composition, and so far there are no limits. It is as simple as writing your prompt, hitting on create, and getting a great image in just about 2 to 3 seconds. If you don't like the generated image and you would like to change it up, you can use the improve button to rewrite your prompt. You can select different styles like anime or pixel art. There's also a magic edit feature that lets you add element. You can use the suggestions or you can type in your own text. All of your past creations are saved at the bottom. You can switch between them and download your favorites. For more customization, we have a remix button that will allow you to choose the style, lighting, and mood. If you're on a phone or tablet, you can swipe up or down to generate different images, or you can swipe left or right to cycle through the different options. Finally, on the left here, you can check out the community tab to see what other creators are making. You can join fun challenges and you can see what's trending. Big thanks to GenTube for sponsoring today's video. Check out the link at the top of the description, and I will also have a comment pinned down below. Okay, so the easiest and fastest method to run this application is using Pinokio. All you have to do is to go to the website, click on download button, depending on your operating system. I am on Windows, and then you will install it like any other standard executable. Once it's installed, open Pinokio from the start menu. It will bring you to the main interface. For you, this page will most likely be blank since you don't have any application installed yet. On the right here, you will see Explore. Click on it. Go to the search bar at the top and search for the application. When installing it, be very careful. We are going to install the version that says Morphos 6 at the time of recording. Now you can see here it was updated 5 days ago. So this is the most up-to-date version that is recommended. If you're running an AMD graphics card, you will select the Morpheus AMD. I'm on NVIDIA card, so I'm going to select this one. Once you have the application selected, click on Install button. This is a one-click installer. It will handle everything for you. Once the installation is finished, you will see the app in your dashboard. You can click on it, then click the Start button at the top to launch the application. This process will automatically download all necessary dependencies required by the application to work. Just wait for it to complete. Once completed, the UI will open up automatically. At the top here, you will see different tabs. You want to make sure you are inside the video generator tab in order to generate videos. From here, we are going to have a couple of drop downs. The first drop down menu, select LTX 2, and you will see the web UI updates automatically. For the second drop down, we are going to select 2.3, and the last drop down is where you are going to select the specific model version as well as quantization type. Right now, you can see I'm using the distilled 1.0 GGUF version. This is at Q4. For me, this is the lightest. It's also the fastest option for my machine. By default, the input mode is set to text prompt. You can switch to image to video. And once again, the web UI is going to update dynamically, so you don't have to manually remember the exact configuration. So when we look at the full range of options, you can start with text prompt. You can start with an image. This is for image to video. You can continue or extend an existing video. You can also continue from your last generation if you're working on multiple videos. When you choose to start with an image, you also have the option to add an ending image. This is going to be the start frame and end frame option. Further down, you will find the text prompt. This is the basic built-in prompt box. Just underneath, it says the setting label right. This will allow you to enhance your prompt. Now keep in mind, if you turn this option on, it will require downloading an entirely separate model. You can configure which enhancer you want to use, but depending on your choice, it could mean an extra 6 to 14 gigabyte of download. Below that is the category section. You can control your resolution. It works in 2 steps. The first one, you will select the target format, basically like 720p or 1080p. And then you will actually choose the specific pixel value. That's going to be for the width and height. Next, we have the number of frames. This is going to dictate the total duration of your video. The range is from 0.7 seconds as the minimum, and maximum you can go to 30 seconds. The default is set to 10 seconds, which is a great starting point. Then below, if you're an advanced user, you can toggle advanced mode. This will give you the ability to add LoRa's. You can download directly from the UI itself. And once downloaded, you can click on activated LoRa, select your LoRa and input the LoRa multiplier. Now next you have the post-processing options. This is going to be for temporal unsampling as well as the spatial upscaling. Every video that you generate with this application will be saved locally. To retrieve them later, you can navigate to your main folder, open the API folder, locate the directory for the specific application. By the way, you can install multiple applications. Once inside, you'll go inside the app folder. This is the core files actually. Now in here, you will see we have outputs directory, and inside you will get all the video files. So here's an example. Once you have your prompt ready, you can click on generate, and then at the top here, you will get the output. Now quickly, I'm going to go to the top tabs. All this time we have been inside video generation. You can see we have video mask creator. This will allow you to do masking. Then we have motion designer, which will allow you to draw trajectories. Basically, these are visual guide for how the video movement will be. Then we have a guide type. This is going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to use the various models available in here. Next, we have configuration tab. This is where you can customize which models you want to show up. By leaving it as empty means all the available models will show up in your drop-down list. And if you don't want to go and sort of hunt for your outputs folder every single time, you can configure the output for video, image, as well as audio folders all in here. All right, so that is it. With this, you should be able to run LTX 2.3 locally, even on low VRAM hardware. Thank you for watching. I know it's been a while since my last video. I'm actually starting to lose my voice. I had to take a break due to medical issues, but I'm back. I'm still recovering, but I'm looking to keep the content going. Thank you for staying until the very end. Have a great day. Take care. I will see you in the next one.